Welcome to Ines Creation Limited, your one-stop destination for everything creative and design related. Whether you are a beginner looking to enhance your skill or a professional seeking fresh ideas, we have got you covered. In today's video, I will show you how to design an eye-catchy flyer using Canva, one of the easiest and most user-friendly tools for designer for all levels. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future design tips and tutorials. By the end of this video, you will be able to create something just like this, step by step. So let's get started. After create a page for a flyer design, go to the element and search for a shape. Let's take this rectangle shape, make the corner round. Change the shape with this oval shape. Now go to the element and search for a frame. Let's take this round frame. From the border, give it a border in white, and now again search for a shape. Let's take this round shape and adjust the shape behind the frame. Now give this a color. Let's change the color effect shape with the rectangle, and now adjust the round shape and the frame together. Give the shape a color in the border in white. Make the behind shape transparent with the border in gradient shade. Now go to the element and search for a picture. Give a keyword in doctor's team. Take this picture, adjust it. Now take a text box, type the text. Change the color of the text, make it a left alignment. Rotate the shape. Change the font style. Take a small text box, paste the dummy text. Make it a left alignment. Now let's take a rectangle shape. Take a text box, type free consultation. Make the corner round and change the color in blue and give it a border. Change the color of the shape. Give this gradient shade, and now change the border color in white. Now again search for a bottom box. Take this shape, change the color, press Alt and copy the shape. Give it a color and send it behind. For now, remove the shape, and now let's take a rectangle shape. Select all of those in 4 shapes and change the color. Make it smaller, and now search an icon for a blood test. Take a round shape. Change the color in white, and now copy the round shape. Take another icon and adjust it with the round shape. Here it is a 4 icon. Now let's change the color of the shapes in white and give the border color in gradient blue. Repeat the process for others. Take a text box and type the names. Paste the dummy text under the names, as all those are services. Now take a rectangle shape and adjust it under the boxes. Give it a color. Keep the transparency low and expand the box under the service boxes. Now take a text box. Type the text. Paste the dummy text. Now search for a line. Let's take this line and adjust it on the half pages, and now take a rectangle shape and make the corner round. Give a border. Give it a color in gradient. Take a text box and type the web address. Change the color in white. From the elements, take a phone icon, change the color. Now from the element, take an email icon. Now search for emergency call icon. Let's take this icon. Take a text or copy the text. Now search for a ambulance icon. Let's take this icon, adjust it on the right corner. Adjust it. And now take a text box, type the text. Make it a right alignment. Now go to the element and search for shapes. Let's take this shape, flip it and change the color. To the element and search for a medical logo. Let's take this logo, keep the color and take a text box and type the name Medilab. Now adjust the logo and the font together. Place the shape here. Now take a text box and type the slogan or the subtitle. So here it is, a medical flyer. If you need this kind of flyer design or any other custom design you have, like a brochure design, travel brochure design, bifold brochure design, presentation pitch decks, you can contact with us. Our contact details is attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with Ines Creation Limited.